guys, it's time for Don't Try This at Home, and today we're going to be doing Alka-Seltzer Rockets. So if you've never done an Alka-Seltzer Rocket, it is a fun experiment that actually combines physics and chemistry. So the way it works is we have these little tiny containers which used to carry film back before we had digital cameras, and at some point somebody figured out they made really good rockets. And so what we use is actually water and Alka-Seltzer, and so when you mix together water and Alka-Seltzer you get carbon dioxide gas. And so with that, you're going to put it in here, pop the cap on, flip it upside down, and let that pressure build up until the rocket actually pops. And again, you're going to be doing physics and Newton's laws all over the place with these as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you really quick a few individual ones. And so our Alka-Seltzer is actually glued inside the cap. And so I'm just going to set these on the table. I know, right in front of you guys. That one was lame. So, we're going to sit here and wait. I've got one that looks like the pressure's pretty good, so we're waiting for that one to actually launch. And there we go. And so, the reason we do multiple ones is if you do this experiment over and over again, the pressure is so big that when the canisters pop, it actually starts to stretch out the plastic, and then they leak and they don't all launch. So, I figured instead of just trying 4, why don't we try like 200? Is that where we're at? So each tray has about 50 of them. We've got magnets on top, which makes them able to stick to the cookie sheets. And so what my staff is going to do is they're actually going to flip all the trays at once, and then we're just going to see what happens. All right, so here we go. Go ahead and flip. Oh, Christian. That was such a fail on your part. All right, so right now all that pressure is building up inside, and what's going to start happening is they're going to start to pop, and they're going to start to launch. And that's why we have on the umbrella hats. So yes, this is definitely an outdoor activity if you're able to get the film canisters like this. Not really sure when this is going to stop, so we're just going to go ahead and close this up. So thank you guys again for tuning in to Don't Try This at Home. Please make sure you tune in for beers again later on tonight. Things are just going all over the place at this time. So bye guys, thanks for tuning in.